welcome to my channel. My name is Paige, and today you're going to be doing an after the holiday clean with me. I'm also going to be taking you along as I start the process of undecorating for Christmas. I have yet to take down our Christmas trees because I love them and I want to enjoy them a little bit longer, so I'm not going to take those down just yet. But I have started the process of taking down all of the smaller items in the house, and I'm just getting rid of a lot of the Christmas mess. I have so many empty boxes and dirty dishes and dirty clothes and clean clothes are just everywhere. So today we're going to be tackling that. My least favorite things about cleaning after Christmas just so happens to be one of my favorite things, and that's glitter. Y'all, I love me some sparkle. I mean, what girl doesn't? But the most aggravating thing is getting rid of it. Also, the little pieces of garland that fall on the floor. There are just so many little tiny itty bitty things that I need my vacuum cleaner to make sure it picks up. So today I have partnered with Filtrete to bring you this video. I will be changing both my vacuum belt and my filter. This is crucial when it comes to making sure that your vacuum is running at its highest potential. Filtrete offers a range of bags, belts, and filter styles that are made to fit nearly all brands and models, pretty much any vacuum cleaner that you have. Replacing your Filtrete vacuum bags every 1 to 2 months, your filters every 3 to 6 months, and your belts once a year. This pack comes with 2 belts, so I don't have to buy another pack until 2020. It's recommended to help your vacuum achieve the peak performance and good air quality for you and your family. Stay, stay, stay. Even if it's short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love's so hard to find. So not only will changing out my filter help in getting all of the Christmas glitter from off the floor, but it's also going to help in getting particles that are 75 times smaller than a human hair, which includes 99.97% of dust mite debris, animal dander, mold, and pollen. Look how nasty my old one was. Even though it's washable and I washed it, every time you wash it, it just sort of lessens the quality of it. So it's best that you go ahead and change them out, like I said, every 3 to 6 months. 'Cause you only bring me down. You can find Filtrete vacuum accessories at retailers nationwide such as Ace Hardware and Best Buy, but if you're an online shopping girl like I am, just check out filtratevac.com and Amazon. Sooner or later, you're acting all tough, you think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around goes back around? You're gonna be loveless. Sooner or later, you gotta face the facts one of these days when your luck has run out. But don't you come crawling back, 'cause you know we're through, oh yeah, 'cause you only cloud my
sooner or later.
These huge Ziploc bags that I get from the Dollar Tree, which I'm sure you can find them at pretty much any grocery store, but they saved my life when it comes to getting organized when taking all of my Christmas stuff down. So I like to put all of my bowl filler and any random ornaments and stuff like that inside the larger ones.
Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the.
My most favorite part about undecorating is the fact that I get to look at a clean slate. I get to start fresh. I get to plan new decorating themes and ideas that I want to bring to life in our home. But I just love wiping everything down, giving it a fresh new scent, a fresh new clean space to work with.
Do it all for you. I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel, I know, you will always be the
I was totally not exaggerating when I said I had a ton of laundry that I needed to catch up on. It's just so crazy between 12 days of Vlogmas and then all the traveling we did for the holidays. It just built up and I just put it on the back burner. I had other things that needed to be taken care of, so this was totally not one of those things that were at the top of my list. So I definitely have to catch up on some laundry, but I wanted to let you guys know that it's okay. It's okay to not be on top of your game as far as cleaning goes. It's okay to have some clean laundry piled up in your laundry room or even some dirty laundry. This year in 2018, I do not want you guys to beat yourself up about not having a perfect house. My house is not perfect. I know that maybe some YouTubers and social media influencers appear as if their house is perfect, and maybe it is, but maybe there's something else in their life that isn't. So do not beat yourself up about not being perfect. I want you guys to just bask in your imperfections. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Make sure to come back for more videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do that before you leave. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see some more cleaning motivation in this new year. So happy 2018, y'all, and I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye, y'all.
The whole world is at our feet, at our feet.